Okay, so what is going on, guys? Here Rebecca, and right now I'm about to enter into the zoo. I'm gonna have some fun. I'm gonna see animals. I hope if you guys like it. But before I go, I want to show you here the forest. It looks so beautiful here, and let's go. Okay, so the first time I decided to take my father's car, then I find it really hard, so I used the subway. It's really amazing. It's easy to go into the zoo, so I'm gonna buy a ticket right now. Yeah, this is the ticket machine. I'm gonna put one trip metro and put the money inside. Okay guys, so I got my ticket now and I'm going directly to the zoo. Okay guys, so now I'm on my way into the zoo, and here it looks so beautiful. It looks amazing. Take a look, guys, here. It's so beautiful. Wow. Guys, watch this cute dog here. There are. Oh, they are running away. Okay, I'm gonna follow them. Okay, they are beautiful actually. Guys, so here we're back, and now I am from the entrance into the zoo. This is the entrance. Yeah, and I tell you guys, this is one of the most biggest forests in Algeria. It's so beautiful. I wish you guys if you visit it one day, because it looks awesome. It's beautiful. It's amazing. There he is. Okay, so this is the entrance. We're gonna enter at 11 o'clock. Okay guys, watch this old animal right here. There are. We have this big piranha here. We have the fish here. And yeah. So yeah, so this is all the old animal. Okay guys, so right now we're gonna start for the first animal. Is right here. There he is. We have the first elephant. Okay, I'm just kidding, guys. So we have this birds here. They are so cute. We have flamingo is right there, and we have ducks here. Yes, a cock is right there. Flamingo, peacock. It's so beautiful. It's amazing. Guys, right now we're gonna see tiger. Okay, there he is, guys. You just enter into the pool. I don't know if you can see it. He's right there. There he is, guys. Actually, it looks beautiful. Yeah. Okay. So you take a look for this cute Mexican fox. There are guys right here. They are so cute. I think they are sleeping. I'm gonna try to make them up. Oh, there they are. It's so beautiful. Yes. Next we have monkeys. They are right here. There he is. So I'm gonna try to feed them. Okay. It's so beautiful. There he is. Watch this, all beautiful monkeys here. There he is, guys. He's eating as always. Okay, so here we have all monkeys. I have. Okay, there is here. Oh my god. Look, guys. They are fighting. There is another monkey here. Yes. There is another monkey right there. standing right there. Okay guys, so next we have a bear. He's sleeping right there. I don't know where all those animals are sleeping. There he is. He's moving guys, but you can't, I'm sorry, you can't see his face. Okay guys, so now we have the next animal. He's right here. There he is. Okay, he looks so beautiful. I'm gonna try to feed him. There we go. So now we have the crocodile. It's right there. There he is guys. It's too far, but I don't think you can see it. He's standing right there. Yes. There he is guys. He's moving. You can see them. Okay, you can see it. He's coming. Oh my god, he's moving. Uh-oh. He's coming to us. Oh my gosh. You see guys? He's amazing. I don't think this is a crocodile. This is an alligator, I think. Wow. What is doing? Okay, I think he's taking a shower. Yes. He's beautiful. He's awesome. Okay, he's moving, guys. He's swimming because it's water right there. Wow. He's coming to us. He's coming right there. So next we have Owl. He's right there, guys. And he's too far, as always. Okay, I'm gonna try to zoom. There he is. He's sleeping. Yes. And we have also this animal. There he is. He's right there. I don't know his name. Finally, from birds we have eagles. Yeah, there are. C'est comme on dit en français les aigles. They are awesome. All those animals are good. Okay guys, so next we have fox. He's right there. He's moving, guys. He's turning around. Oh, he's unturned too. Yes, there are two of them, or maybe three. Okay, finally we have the lion. There he is, guys. He's standing right there. Oh, he just slipped away. Okay, we have another one. He's right there. There he is. Yeah, oh my god. It's so beautiful, actually. Okay, I'm gonna try to show it to you guys. There he is. He's good. He's awesome. So right now I'm going directly to the house because it's so sunny and I feel so tired. So before I go, I just want to show you the garden here. It looks so beautiful here. Okay, we have also those flowers that are right there. They have all this big forest. As I told you guys, this is one of the most biggest forests in the world. If you guys, I wish if you visit it one day because it's actually beautiful. Look guys. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope if you guys liked the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification, and follow me on my Instagram as Sammy Mahon and my Snapchat as Sammy USA UK. I'm gonna write them in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video.